so today we're gonna be making DIY Starbucks drinks, and right now I'm gonna make Oreo Frappuccino, and you'll need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of ice, 2 Oreo, and obviously 2 scoops of ice cream, any choice of yours. Let's get into it. Firstly, you gotta add the milk, then you're gonna add the ice, and then you add some Oreos inside. Next, you're gonna add 2 scoops of ice cream. Alright, so that's it for the Oreo Frappuccino, and you've got to blend it. Alright, so my blender kind of decided to not work, so I have to make my own rendition. Make it into and add 1 cup of coffee. So that's it. It becomes an Oreo latte. Peace out. So next will be the iced macchiato. We'll need 1 shot of black coffee, 1 cup 1 cup of milk, and ice. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna add ice. And 1 cup of milk to the line there, and obviously I spilled some milk. All right. So this is it, guys. Iced macchiato and Oreo latte. So thanks for watching. Kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm gonna make maybe a part 2 on another Starbucks drinks video. Thanks for watching again, and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.